Sige, you dance man. Naglamin. Nagito'y talo da nga Pilipino. Ni Luffy, ni Kingsley, kini Sam.
I forgot to get my glasses. Black.
You have
Michael Jackson.
you dance nga rin. Oh, kita mo sa mga tao, naglaing ni Kingsley. He's dancing like Michael Jackson. Nandiyan mo di classmate da. Ni friend ni Samantha nagbabike nga kanayon. It's Cordelia. Nakaratay ka sa tiyan. Oh, yun eh. Oh, dadan. Oh, you see there is the plane there up. Oh. Kaya what? No, that's for the ate. You have like that at home. Kita mo ni Kingsley, oh. Oh, naglaing ni Kingsley agsala.
When do we do this?
Dog? Why you are crying with the dog? That's her dog. You see?
It doesn't. It's a pillow dog.
It's a pillow dog.
This is a dog.
You see?
Looks like a boy.
You have dog at home. Wala ni Satya. Papilit naman kay Ketman.
When I do this.
There they are.
Grandma got my Nike shoes.
Wow.
They got a new shoe. Like this. Red.
There's the school bus coming. There's the school bus. You sit down. Oh, the school bus done. That's their school. It's number 75. You say bye-bye na to, ate.
Bye.
Bye, Kingsley. See you later. Bye-bye, ate. Oh, napandan. It's number 75. Say bye-bye to ate. Bye-bye. Oh, another school bus again. Oh, let's go. Let's go, nanak. Oh, you want your bike? Kami kanumuton. Magna kami man ito'y kalsada. Sakit what?